Feeling ko pinakamahirap ko lang na kalaban, si Natalia.
Hoy! Kuya! Gumalaw! Galaw!
Nakapagod tumalon. Warm up pa lang naman, no? Bakit naman ganito?
Bakit?
Ano ginagawa sa amin?
Bakit?
Asan ako?
What's up, party people? Behind me are 10 players. And they are here for the ultimate goal of being the last man standing! We are gonna have a challenge and simple lang naman ang mechanics. Bawal matumba! We are in the largest arcade theme inflatable playground in the Philippines, and right here we have Miss Maffin from Boogie Bounce Philippines.
Hi,
hello po.
The largest arcade theme play park in the Philippines. So we have here more than 9 gigantic inflatables. Boogie Bounce is located here at the Garden Dubai Walk Pasay. So visit us here at Boogie Bounce.
Let's go! Ate Seiya!
Yes.
Woo! Woohoo! Okay, isa sa mga competitive players. So how do you feel right now and are you ready?
I'm so ready. Nag-prepare na ako kagabi. Tumalon-talon na ako sa kaba. Balance ako. Joke
Sa tingin mo ikaw mananalo?
Feeling ko ako talaga.
Ikaw, Natalia! Ready ka na ba?
Kinda scared but I'm ready.
Well, what are you expecting today?
Challenge.
Challenges. Do you think you're gonna win?
Yes.
Oh,
Ready na.
kamusta? Ready ka na ba?
Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's do it.
Ready na. Alam mo, madaming mas malalaki sa akin. Pero we're gonna show them small but mighty.
Ready na akong mag-bounce to bounce 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 to bounce.
Daming bounce, ha? Tingnan natin kung ano, aabot siya sa pinakalas. Ikaw, Kuya Kit!
Ready na. Feeling ko pinakamahirap ko lang na kalaban, si Natalia. Sa kanya ako nate-threaten eh.
Bucket list check nung childhood mo, yung inner child mo, happy.
Ready na. Wrestlingin si Justin. Jokes lang.
Ako nanalo nung last man jumping, kaya ngayon ako manalo sa last man standing!
Ito, lumpuhin!
Ready na. So feeling ko yung top 3 mga girls lahat eh. Kasi mga boys pagod na ang lilikot, parang kiti-kiti.
And obviously, ready na sila, kaya i-start na natin ang first game! For the first game, it is called Boogie Bounce. Players will have to jump for 5 minutes with both feet, and whoever falls down first will be out of the game. And if after 5 minutes at wala pang nahulog, you have to jump with 1 foot. So sino kaya ang matatalo for today's game? Let's see! Start jumping! Go! Okay, so nagja-jump silang lahat. Ang layo niya sa isa't isa. Galaw! Kawawa ko sino matanggal agad. Wala na. Hoy! Kuya! Gumalaw! Galaw! Puntaan niyo si Kuya! Wala na, dadaming pa na tayo dito. Ay! Bawal lumawak! May 1 foot pa pag di talaga natumba. Ang tataas ng talon nyo kanina. Tingnan mo si Kuya. Si Kuya magtalon. Tingnan mo. Talon na ba yan? Talon pa ba yan? Kamusta?
Okay lang.
Pagod na?
Medyo.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Nakapagod tumalon. Warm up pa lang naman, no? Warm up pa lang.
Ay, di ba?
Parang ako nag-running. Hindi na, tol.
So this time, 1 foot na lang ang gagamit para mag-jump. Timer starts now! Oh, 1 leg lang! 1 leg... Ba't ka natalo agad? Oh no!
Wala na kaagad ako. Sobrang hirap ng first challenge pa lang kasi talaga nakakapagod yung pagtatalon. Naka 1 foot na lang ako. Tapos si B-Boy biglang nag-jump sa akin, so parang nakaganto na ako, tapos bumaba pa, so na out of balance na ako. So hindi ko ina-expect na ma-out ako sa game kasi gusto ko pa maglaro hanggang dulo sana para makita yung mga reaction ko, diba? Kaso wala. I lost the game. I'll just be hosting this challenge with Niana, so let's go!
Those who are still part of the game, congratulations! Now, next game! It is called the Yellow Muncher. Players will run for their lives in this Pac-Man bouncy maze as the giant ghostly gang tries to catch them. Players that will be caught inside by the ghostly gang will be held for 30 seconds and they can run again. And the 2 players with the slowest time to get out will be eliminated from the game. And ang ghost ay si Kuya Ren! In 3, 2, 1, go!
Let's go! Mana kayo dyan? Seconds tayo! 30 seconds! 30 seconds! Okay guys, so tatalon namin ni Justin yung wall.
24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Diyan tayo sa daanan natin. Why?
Tipito, tipito.
Ay! Alabas na!
Silang lahat at ang huling naka-exit ay si Neil and Natalia! Nag-clap.
Na-out kami agad pero enjoy sa loob. Nakakalito nga lang. Did you enjoy na?
Yes.
Okay lang. Enjoy. Bye!
Third game, the quick elimination round. So this game is called Dizzy Dot. So the remaining players will jump while my brother over here is gonna spin the wheel and whatever color it's at, they have to step on the color with the circle. Did that make sense? And the last player to step on the color will lose. Ready? Yeah! You may spin the wheel. Go!
Blue, yellow, red, green, blue, yellow,
Oh my God!
red, green,
Red!
red, 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 red.
So, natalo po ako and ang masasabi ko lang, give chance to others.
Fourth game is the disco slide. So basically, players in 2 batches will climb up this 3-story high disco slide.
And yung mga players na bumalentong or tutumba ay ma-eliminate.
And if no one stumbles or falls down, the slowest player will be out of the game. Do
Alright.
you understand?
Yes!
You may climb in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, let's go! Let's go! I'm so curious. I want to go over there. Melissa, tikala ko Justin in 3, 2, 1, go! Let's go! Ah!
Ang bumalentong sa first batch, wala. Sa second batch, si Kyla.
Out na ako. Madulas yung middle, ha? Kita nyo yan? Pero okay lang kasi meron pang 1 life. So, 2-5. Fifth station is called the Crazy 8. So basically, in this inflatable behind us right here, there are scattered bananas.
Yes.
And basically, the remaining players will have to collect all the bananas in 2 minutes.
And bawal silang matumba. Pero pwede magtulakan. Pero bawal magtulakan. Baliktad. Pero guys, pwede kayong mag-agawan, pero bawal magtulakan, okay?
And if you fall, you have to let go of all the bananas you collected and go back to the starting place and do it all over again. In 2 minutes, kailangan nandun na kayo sa pinakataas, dun kay Monkey. And whoever has the slowest time and the least bananas will be eliminated.
Alright, in 3, 2, 1,
Ako nahihirapan. Okay ka? Hoy, balik ka na!
okay na to.
Ang gulo! Wait lang, ang gugulo na shot!
Tumba! Tumba yung dalawa!
Guys, 30 seconds. Ang daming natumba. Madami ding nagsimula sa starting place ulit.
Yung isa! Nangyari dito sa mga to.
Yung cameraman na tama din. Okay, tapos na yung game. Ano nangyari?
Guys, tinakil ko yung cameraman. Maling target.
Ano nangyari? Wala kang banana?
Wala.
Wala rin siyang banana?
Tinako ni Melissa yung banana.
Okay, sulong ako. Sa lahat ng may banana, pasok sa next round. Okay, so since si Kuya Justin ang may pinakamadaming banana, I have one question for you. Kanina mo i-share yung mga banana. So you have to pick who's eliminated.
Kasi actually, sa kanila ko naagol yung dalawang alam dito, may nagpaggaan, natumba silang dalawa. Jackpot! Jackpot ang nangyari sa akin, guys. Nagbalentong sila doon. Tawan to, diniretso ko na sa bahay. Dahil wala siyang banana. May banana ka na, bro.
Sayang kasi may banana na ako kaya hindi ako binigyan ni Justin. Tinry ko talaga nung last 10 seconds. Tinakil ko silang dalawa. Pero yung cameraman yung na-take down ko. Pero yun nga, good experience. Thank you.
For the 6th round, since yung mga remaining 4 players ay mapupunta na sa final round, they get to rest because this round is a wild card round! That's right! This game is called the Hippo Chop. So basically, the eliminated players will be strapped to a suspender and paramihan sila ng bola na lalagay sa station nila. And the eliminated player who gets the most balls will enter in the final round. Yay! Good luck! 3, 2, 1, go! Let's go! Parang mahaba ang 30 seconds. Count yours first.
11, 12, 13, 14.
1, 2, 3, 13, 14, 19, 20, 4, 5, 6, 7, 16, 17, 18, 19! Okay, so ang balls to beat ay 20. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, timer starts, go! Si Kuya tumatas! F na F! 9, 8, 7, more! Sige, baka 5, 3, 2, 1, tama na! Hands up! Neil, count yours!
4, 5, 6, 14, 15.
1, go! 3, 9, 11, 15, 20. 5 points to.
5, 6, 7, 8, 19, 20.
21! Okay, ang panalo sa wildcard round, si Kuya Drew! Amazing! So, pasok siya sa final round. Let's go! And now, for the final round! So, this game is called Retro Rush. Okay? So, players will go one by one in this 900 feet long inflatable obstacle course. 900 feet!
900 feet!
Oh my gosh!
Alam nyo ba kung gaano kahaba yun? Ganon!
Ganun pala yun?
Basically, kung sinong merong pinakamaikling time, yun ang mananalo. And then kada fall nyo, equals yun sa 10 seconds additional time. Ikaw ba yung merong magkakaroon ng fastest time?
Sana. Kasi same naman kami ng mga pagod kanina ng mga energy na gamit. So, let's see.
Ikaw ba yung mananalo dito?
Oo naman.
Oh.
Tingin ko ang problema ko lang is yung bagsak.
Ikaw, sa tingin mo mananalo ka dito? Anong strategy mo?
Strategy ko, ma-finish to. Ganun.
Okay, ito.
Akin na to.
Sa kanya na pala to eh.
Kanya na
Sa'yo
pala.
na!
Strategy ko, slow and steady. Dapat hindi mo hulog talaga.
Sabi mo sabi mo yan.
By the way, may mga spaces sa gilid, so huwag kayo pumunta doon. Gitna lang.
Kailangan madaanan nyo lahat ng obstacle course. Ang record nila dito sa Boogie Bounce na fastest time is 2 minutes.
What?
So kung nagawa nyo 1 minute, kakaiba na kayo.
Ay, see the flash? Ako na to.
Ready na ba kayo?
Yeah!
Pinakauna, we're gonna do this alphabetically. Kuya B-Boy goes first!
B-Boy, you ready?
Ready?
I will count. Okay? 3,
2,
Napulikat ako. Napulikat ka. Mamaya pa.
1, go! Alright! Let's go, babe!
let's go!
Look, ginagalan.
He finished the first part of the obstacle and now it's on to the second.
So far, dito na siya sa pangalawa. Mabilis pa rin.
Okay, so si Ate Mitchell lang yung nag-iisang babae sa final round, kaya I'm rooting for her. Girl power. Happy Women's Month. So now he's going to the second part of the obstacle. Wow, ang bilis! Wow!
Nadaanan niyo ng obstacle course. Papalapit dito sa atin.
Let's go, Kuya Justin! Happy Women's Month! Girl power! Judging right now pa lang, sa second part, natumba siya. Pagod na po siya. Pagod! Pagod!
Uy! Nahulog si Kit.
Go Kid, go, go, go!
Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Bilis mo, boy! Nakikita ko, napapagod na siya. Bumabagal na.
In fairness, parang medyo mabilis din. Nandito na siya sa part na to.
Go, 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 go!
He's almost done. He's almost finished. I can see him already. I think like 5 more seconds, he's done.
Alright! Let's go, bro! Good?
Pagod.
Okay lang. Let's go! Alright! Alright! Isa pa daw.
Bakit naman ganito?
Bakit?
Ano ba ginagawa sa amin?
Bakit?
Nasaan ako?
Wala na sa sarili. Sige.
Kuya! 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 Hindi ako lang!
Okay lang.
CBR!
Alright, congrats sa tapos mo.
Slow and steady.
Alright, slow and steady. Pero nag-slow and steady ka ba?
Oo.
Alright.
Kasi pagod na ako.
Ang bilis mo dun sa una, bro, ha?
Kaya nga, just biglang bumagal eh. Alala ko slow and steady pala.
Alright, good job. Pahinga ka muna. Okay na to.
Enjoy, enjoy.
Nangyari!
Hey! Nice one! Pagod!
Para akong ano, basta yun.
Alright, so we are done with all the challenges. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's time to announce who the winner is! Pero bago yan, ibigay muna natin ang consolation prizes ng mga losers. Ay! Okay, so we have Miss Muffin from Boogie Bounce, everybody! Meron rin sila ibigay na gift certificates. Alright. Loser number 1. Ikaw. Ikaw. And on top of that, meron ding cash prize. 1,000. And now, may I call in the remaining 5 players na nakaabot sa last round. Ang 5th place, yung time niya ay 4 minutes and 7 seconds.
Woo! Bilis pa rin!
At yung tao na yun ay si... Justin!
Akin na to. Okay na to.
For the 4th placer, ang time niya ay 3 minutes and 46 seconds. Siya ay si... Ate Melissa! Okay, so, ang 3rd placer, ang time niya ay 3 minutes and 42 seconds. Sino kaya ito? Ang 3rd placer ay si... Kuya Biboy! Amazing! Amazing! Ang time ng 2nd placer, 3 minutes and 14 seconds. And the 1st place has 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Ang tatawagin ko ay yung 1st placer. At yun ay si... With 2 minutes and 53 seconds, Kuya Kim! Umiyak sa gilid! At dahil dyan,
Joke lang yun eh.
ayan, meron kang grand prize at yung grand cash prize! Ano masasabi mo na panalo ka?
First of all, I would like to thank to my fitness coach, the Fit Brian, and sa Black Cookies for pushing me all through this.
Ay, may plug!
And sa Rans and Diana sa pag-conduct na itong napakagandang tournament na to.
Amazing! Thank you very, very much. And of course, our 2nd placer, Kuya Drew, ano masasabi mo?
Mukhang hindi gumana yung slow and steady ko.
And that is it for the Last Man Standing Bawal Matumba Challenge. Thank you very much! Ngayon, magpa-party tayo!
Shout out to my wife. Siya talagang nagpaano sa akin. May naririnig ako na, nandiyan na si Nesh.
Shout out, Ate Nesh.